ZenFone Max Pro M1, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, and we will start with the first code, which is *##, 4636 #*#. And now we are in testing mode performed by Google, so we can check here phone info, and here you will notice email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click on run ping test, and then here you will have the solution. Let me go back. Then you can go to user statistics, where you will find all the information about usage time of your apps. So let's go back. And you have also Wi-Fi information here. Simply click on it, and at first let's pick Wi-Fi APA, where you will notice disable network, disconnected networks, enable networks, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, and now you will notice Wi-Fi state, network state, and all the other truly important information about your network. And then you can also run a ping test here with the results here. So let's go back. And now we can open the second secret code, which is *#06#. This is the shortest one, and this one will provide you with both email numbers and also with serial number for your ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1. Click on OK to go back. And now we will go to the third code, which is *##, 225 #*#. And now we've got the whole calendar info, so you can find here holidays in your current country and also events for your Google account. So if you have any events, birthday celebrations included there, you will be able to find all of them here, so you will not forget about any of them. And then let's open Google Play Services, and the code is *##, 426 ***. And here you can check events and also the status. If you will click on the more icon, which is 3-1 in the right upper corner, you can open advanced view, and as you can see, you can gain way more info here then. So let's go back, and now we will go to the last code, very useful one, and this one will be open through the calculator. So simply open the list of all applications and go to the calculator, and then tap .12345 plus equal sign. And now we are in test mode, where you can test your device, all the features. You can test here touch, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, battery, e-compass, G-sensor, modem, keypad, speaker, receiver, board mic, multi-touch, vibration, camera, display, headset, headset mic, headset key, proximity, light sensor, SD card, SIM card, fingerprint camera, also AC charging, USB charger, phone hold, board mic, mouse, and even NFC. So if you have any issues with any of them, you can simply enter this code and then test your device. So let me show you, for example, vibration test is already passed, but test again. Let's count the vibrations. 1. Okay, so it's just 1, and it passed. So let's go back. Now we can also check the speaker, test again. And as you can see, it passed as well, actually, as you could hear. So that will be all. This is how you can test your device, and all the codes are truly useful, so use them whenever you want to, whenever you need to test your device, or simply remind yourself about your email number or some events from your calendar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.